All right, let me share this link because all right, let me switch this over. Look at this gold during the day. 1,500 drawdown for $10,000 over the past month. Gold has been killing it. Just want to show my buddy. Oh. Let me see. I need to paste this link. All right, so I already pulled Bookmap back up because I wanted to make sure. We can, I pulled Bookmap back up, so that's good. This looks a little slow, but that might also just because I know my computer is not lagging anymore. So this might just be the market being a little slow. I don't know. We'll see. All right, let's pull oil. Oops, I still have it on gold. I was like, I wonder why those numbers are very good. Oh, kind of the same. All right, so it's 9:19. I just pulled this.
Order submitted.
I guess. In an oil short, but it's kind of chopping around. All right, all right, all right. This is still running. See what happens there. This got like shot back up. See how this is still loading. It's 9:20, so I'm going to trade the Nasdaq at the open. I already have Trade up. Dun, 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 dun. I think NinjaTrader. All right. Oil's going back down a little bit. We can see that this is that stair step I was talking about. So obviously the 50 area is sensitive for NQ. We'll see what happens there. I'm going to have to get this off my screen in a second because it's just taking up too much bandwidth. Oh, the market, now they're pulling back. But you know, they were. Now this oil trade is only red $20. All right. All right, done with this. Now I can focus on trading. Okay, switch back over. Market opens in 7 minutes. Harsh, I don't know what I'm doing until the market opens. It's only 9:23. There's still 7 minutes left. I think you're a little too anxious. I think that's what's happening is like things are maybe getting a little, I know like obviously you've been trying to trade NQ. So we'll do it, but I don't know yet. Probably short. We'll have to see how it reacts at the open. That's why I trade the open specifically, and that's why I don't know what I'm doing until the open actually happens. Because look, this looks super short, but we had some nice momentum overnight, so it could easily push back above this 50 area and go long, and then I would be looking to take a long. So I hope that answers your question. 6 minutes till the market opens. There have been some really big moves in oil at 9:30. Yesterday it was at 9 and I missed it and I was so mad. That was this one yesterday. Oh, I was so mad. It was like an $800 trade and I wasn't in it. So we'll see. Oil could be onto something. We could be moving down if this short is correct. Okay, Professor. That sounds good. Yeah, I like NQ, but it's really wild. Like it's pretty wild and crazy for lots of people. So we're back to even now here on this oil trade. See if we can start moving in the green. I'm gonna try to lock that up. Oh, it says I have an update on my computer. Well, I just restarted it, so I'm gonna have to do the update and restart later. I'll worry about that later. Market opens in 5 minutes. I already have my tea, so that's good. See if we can pull back to this area, 65.71. We got to break 66 clearly on this oil trade. Oh shit, that just dropped. Okay. Let me get in here because... Oh,
order failed.
Damn it. Why do I get so close? We broke 66. It was like $70. I go to 20 and it freaking comes right back up. But whatever. I'm going to close out of this because I want to focus on NQ and Bookmap. So the market opens in 6 minutes. But see, oil might be a little preface to... the market. We'll see. Obviously, oil is a totally different sector than the market itself, but good to note. I have a student session today at 3. I have to fill this. I haven't used whiteout in so long, and I like need to use it. What do you mean? What about gold? What about gold? What's your question about gold? I don't manually trade gold. I manually just trade Nasdaq. But gold's been doing really well. Gold was in like a $600 trade last night. It just had a $400 trade this morning. I woke up at like 8 a.m. or 7 something. It was in a long. It got in a long for about $400. I think gold's going to keep going up for sure. All right, it's 9:28. This isn't an indicator. This is called book map. It is it's something I use for the open. It just kind of tells you where limit buyers and limit sellers are. I don't use the bubbles as much as I use the colors. You can see there's like no colors right now. But look, 52 is getting lighter. I think we're definitely going to move up. Also, I might be getting out of some of these options I have. We'll see. The market was really nice and green when I first woke up. Now it's pulled back a little. There's a lot of retail sales happening this week, like Walmart. I finally got green on Walmart. So happy. I got out like green $900 this morning when I woke up. I was like pre-market. I was like, well, let me get out of this. I have not been green on that since I bought it like 6 months ago. All right, so we get above 50. Obviously, I'm going to wait till 9:31. If we get above 50, I'm going to look to be taking long. All right, 20 seconds. The market opens. But gold and the market don't have to move in opposite directions. They used to, and now I feel like a lot of times they run together. But you would think if people are scared, then they would put money in gold. So see, we touched 50, pulling down a bit. See if we come back above 50. I could even put a limit long in here at 52. I'd probably put it at like 53, 54. So you can see it pulled back, but I'm not worried about this. I'm thinking we're going higher. So I'm just going to be patient and wait. If it comes up here and drops again, then that's another thing. But here we go. We're above 50. I'm long at 52. I have my stop loss in my hand. Oh, all right. Well, I got stopped out of that. All right. Kind of aggressive. It's not even 9:31 yet, so I probably should have waited. But you see how there's nothing here? So, oops. So it kind of has free range to do whatever. But I would like to see it back above 50. If not, then see if you can break this 30 area. Dun, 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 dun. All right, I'm watching to see if it's going to recover back above 50. I put a limit long in again at 52, but this doesn't look that strong. Looks like it's having a hard time. See how these highs are lower. Just watching. All right, it's looking like it wants to break 30. I'm going to get rid of this limit order I had here. All right, looks like it wants to move lower. See if we break 25. Here we go. Looks like it's breaking 25 now. I'm short at 24. I'm trying to place my stop down, but it's still kind of close. So, all right, there we go. My stop is in the green at 22. Now 20. Here we go. We're moving down. I'm locked in at 18. All right, so I got taken out at 18. I think like 120 or something like that. It's going to make up for my first loss. So I'm not going to watch this. See if it comes back up to 25 or 30 for another short. Just got short here again at 23. Remember, NQ likes to come back to comfortability spots and do the same thing over and over. It's just like a roller coaster. It goes back up and it comes back down. I'm sitting at 18 again. My stop for $125. All right, I'm out of that. So now I'm in the green because I had 2 of those back to back, but before I had my $200 loss. So now I'm green $10 on the day. So the area we needed to break was 30. It broke 30, but then I'm really cognizant of quarter points. So I don't like to get short or long until we've cleared a quarter point, and we did. Now I feel like it may actually get some momentum and move up. But we'll see. It could hit here again and just drop again. So back to that 25 area. I'm not going to take a short here this time, but you could if you were just playing that same play over and over, like the short every time it comes to 25 or 24. I feel like it's going to get a little bit of momentum and push back up. Kind of like this. 27, 29. This was also forming a double bottom, and now that has ridden that up. Back to the 30 area. See if it plays off the 30 as support now and moves up and breaks that 50 that we were looking for at the open. So I'm long at 32, but this is a little tricky here. Got to see if we can keep moving up. Here we go. I'm in the green at 34. I'm in the green at 35. Let's see if we can go to 50. All right, I'm out at 35. This is the VWAP, so you want to be aware of where that is, 37. All right, so it's getting a little choppy now. Ooh, it just dropped really quickly again. So I'm not doing anything in this area. I'm up $90 at this point, which is not much, but it's better than being red. And it's only been 5 minutes. See if you can reclaim this 30, 37 area. Then it would be 40, and then it will be 50, 52. All right, I'm long at 38. My stop's at 31. My stop's at 33. All right, I got stopped at 33. This is a little aggressive, so I didn't want to give it a full stop, but I will look to get back in. It looks like it's just trying to figure out which way it wants to go, because honestly, it could go either way here. The 30 before, when it broke, we then went down, but now it's holding as support and moving up. Again, I like the move up here. It's got to break through this 40 and then 50 and 52. If it can't hold 30, it'll probably break down again. But you honestly could have just shorted it every time it came to this VWAP and you would have done well. I just started getting back on the bullish side. All right, let's see if we can push through 40 here. Nope, it went back to 30. It's kind of just stuck now in this area. Let me put... All right, if it breaks 25 again, but then you have all of these buyers here. If it breaks, it's really just stuck in this area. I want to see a move up above 37. Touch 36 again. Can we finally get above 37? It's really between 30 and 40 at this point. All right, back up to 36. Now this is above my point of control now too. 37, 40, and then 52. Here we go. 40. Come on, 52. 50, and then 52. All right, I'm out. I got long at like 36, and I got out at 40. It's not a very big move. I like this pullback here to 35. I'm long at 35.25. I'm moving my stop into the green. I'm at green at 36. I'm green at 37. I got taken out at 37. Having a hard time figuring out which direction it wants to go for sure. Back to 35, 36. It's 9:38. I like this push. I've seen like no icebergs. Come on, 40. Come on, 40. Come on, 40. 50, 52. All right, I'm long again at 39. I just got out at 41. Blah, that was stupid. Look at this momentum moving. Yeah, 43, 45, it's moving. See, but I can't get in here. I need to wait for a pullback. Like 43. I could put a limit buy at 43. I put a limit buy at 43.25. See if it comes back. No. This one's just gone now. This is that 50 from the open. There it goes, 54. That 50, 52. This is where I took my first long earlier today. See if it just wants to skyrocket from here. Or if it comes back and tests the 50, 52 area. All right, it's moving up. So this long from 37, either from 37, from 40, from 50 was good. Oh, that was a nice pullback there, and I didn't get it to 52. Right up to 60. Pretty volatile today. Not super, super easy, but doing okay. Yeah, I do some cryptos, but not a lot. Nice, Enzo. So proud of you. It's going to 310. It didn't go to 310, Professor. Or did it? No. It didn't go to 310. Did it? What was the lowest over here? Yeah, no, 320s. That's why the heat map is so crucial. Went to 320 at the lowest. I also don't have my chart up with my levels because that would probably help. Silly. Yeah, we do crypto, but not like only Bitcoin. It only covers Bitcoin and micro Bitcoin. I wonder if it covers something else. All right, we're coming back down to test this 47 area. If we come back above 50, I'll take another long. But the spreads are really big, silly, in the crypto futures world. Like, more people need to get into it, I think, before I actually trade it. All right, I'm long here at 47. I'm playing off of this point of control from before. Not sure if it's going to work out. I have a tight stop here at 41. All right, so I'm out at 41. Came to the VWAP and bounced. Damn, this is dropping like crazy now. Right back into like the 30 to 40 range that we were in before. Professor, you might get your 10 now. All right, back up. above 40. That's good. Let's see if this can get back up to 50, 52. I got long at 41, but I don't feel that good about this. All right, I got out at whatever that was. I think I had a bunch of slippage there. I tried to get out at 43, but it kind of looked like it may have not filled until it was like at 40. See if we can hold 40 and move back up. 50, 52. This is just so tight today. Tight, tight, tight. It's 9:43. See if we get a push at 9:45, which is 2 minutes away. Or going into 9:45. Sometimes it'll run up like that. All right, we're back at 47. Small blink. All right, it's pulling back down. All right, so you can see how we're just stuck in this area. It's pretty clear. I love the rectangle tool. It's just one of my favorites. I think it makes it pretty easy to see when you're stuck. All right, so look, it's 9:44 and 30 seconds, and it just pushed up to 47. See if we can get a move back up to 50. My Apple leaps are up $400. All right, so that was a no. Look at this. That was a no. Damn, Daniel. Whoa, whoa, whoa. All right, we're back up to that 25 area. Professor, you might get your 13-3-10 wish. Okay, or not. This market is wild today. There's really nothing to do in between 30 and 40. This comes back up. This is going to come back up. Insane. Drops 30 again. All right, let's see if it can keep going. Drop 25. 25 down to 20. Whew. Whew, whew, whew. This blink is up $85. 1085. Back up to 25. This thing is not dying. It's like, no, I'm just going to keep faking you out every which way. I got long at 28, but that's not the best thing to be doing here. Oh, nice. That's done. Looks like NQ is trying to get some momentum here to move back up and went again. Look at your 10, Professor. Nice level. I know, the roller coaster is nice. Silly, I teach, if you, like, you know, I have one-on-one students, or you can just sign up for the algorithm. That it does all the work for you. I give you, you know, step-by-step videos and tutorials and settings that I use that I've tested. Do you want to drop again? This has just been kind of nice since this. But yeah, if you just go to my website or any of my social medias, you said you saw on TikTok, my website is also listed there. You can email me. I have a contact form, and you can ask questions, stuff like that. So, yeah, feel free. 25 again. Now the range is 25 to 40. So short to 25, long to 40. I'm long at 31. Let's see how this works out. But I have a tight stop. All right, I'm out. 4-point stop. I swear this is just going to skyrocket. I don't know why I feel that way. I just do. I just have a hunch. But clearly I could be wrong. Because it also keeps dropping down below 30, 25, 20. No, boy, no. My hunch of a move up must be really wrong. Oh, Professor, you might get your 300. There you go. It broke the 10. The next place we have buyers is 05. Let's see if it can keep breaking here. 05 and then 300. Can it break 05? Every time it comes to like 10 or 11, just take that short, but it's so tight. Like, what are you looking for? 5 points? Break the 5. Here's your 300. Nice. I kind of caught that a few times. Very nice. Even though this probably isn't good for my Apple Leaps. Got right to your 300, Professor. I want to see. I like your dance. I want to see what's going on here with the algo. Oh, and Q is in a $300 trade here. A $300 short. Now it's pulling back up. Well, the stop loss came into play, so that's good. Oh wait, how the hell did that happen with oil? Ooh, oil. I need to turn that off. See, then the shit goes crazy. Because you know why? Because that open was insane. Oh, ES had a hard time at the open, too. So it was up 300. Oh, it had one losing trade. Oh, this is kind of a crappy open. Really, when you think about it. It didn't really pick a direction until...
Order filled.
Recently. I need to close that out. Alright, it's 9:53. I'm probably going to wrap it up here soon. It had a nice dip. It tried to move up and it didn't work, and then it had a nice dip to 13,300. It may slowly recover here, but I'm probably going to be done for the day. See if we can get above 25. See, it's trying to get above 25 here. Back to 30. The VWAP is at 33. And point of control is at 35. So, Tuesday. I swear I'm going to sign off and this thing's just going to go crazy. Because I swear that happens every time. We're running into sellers here, but not that many. It's like light blue. There are more trying to step in, but there it goes a little bit. 30. We go to 31. 31. Now it's back to 24. All right, I'm going to wrap it up for the day. I've taken a lot of trades. I'm red a few $100. So I'm just going to take the L today. It's okay. And to move on. I hope you guys had fun. Resource likes the short too. And I will talk to you guys later. I'll probably be on again tomorrow. Yeah, I'll probably be on tomorrow morning. So, alright guys, have a good one. Bye.